Wembly here, in the rare Siberian Alps, looking for the white-tailed Musk deer. Now, the deer is one of the most ferocious deers in all the fucking world. You're gonna try to find it around here, somewhere in the brave wild wilderness. Come with me, grab a Foster's and let's get going. Oi! Alright, welcome back to Rick Wembly's Wild Nature Adventure. Here we are back in the Siberian Islands. Reminds me of good old Queensland Alps. This river area is where some of the wildest species of rainbow Siberian trout live. Let's see if we can get a look-see. Now, we travel upriver every year to spawn in their native highlands. This time of year it usually might be a little cold for them. We're going to see if we get lucky. Come on Jeff, keep up. As you can tell, we're miles away from anything. Let's see if there's any trout down there. Hey trout! For Christ's sake, get the fuck out of here!
I don't think they're coming.
Shut up, Jeff. I don't think they're coming. What's that? I think I saw an Arctic shrub here. Come on, Jeff. We can cut that, right? All right, get me going again. All right, I'm gonna stop back here. Wait. I think I saw an Arctic shrub here. Let's go, Jeff. There it is. Jeff, try to get a shot off that mountain. All right, you see it? It's clicking its little red eyes. The Arctic shrub here is very notable for having those red beady eyes. It uses to shoot laser beams at its victims.
Sounds dangerous.
Yeah, I read it on Wikipedia. All right, let's try to trek up the mountain, Jeff. Can you get the camera on me that time?
Yeah.
All right. I don't think I'm gonna do that, Jeff.
Why not?
I don't want to get me knickers wet. It's cold. We're in Siberia, for Christ's sake. Alright.
Where's your coat?
My coat? Left it back in Canberra. Hey. That's stupid. We transferred from Canberra to the Kukaranga airport. Back down to Wallaroo. Then right straight flight to Siberia. It's a miserable 36-hour journey. We're around the Arctic Circle and back again. It's terrible. Alright. But, right now, man, there ain't nothing out here really, is there? Alright, let's take a 5-minute break. We'll regroup.
What's that?
Yeah. Looks like the white Arctic salamander.
Let's take a look at it.
I think I scared him off. These native Siberian husky trees are the native fruits for the white Arctic salamander. You see the tender bark. Yeah, got good for your salamander taste buds. They ain't great, but we'll try to put some in the water and see if that'll lure them out.
Didn't you just scare one off?
What? No. I swear. Now, the white Arctic salamander is very notable for being the only amphibian who has warm blood. Allows them, and fur, actually. Allows them to survive in these harsh Arctic environments. They're the #1 food for the laser shooting Arctic shrub here. Now the salamander has a protective, holy crap, what? That's treacherous in these hills. You can see the very danger I'm in. Holy shit. as I was saying, the Arctic, holy fuck! For fuck's sake! Who would think ice would be so slippery? Holy! Criminy! I don't even know what the fuck I was talking about, Jeff.
Alright, I think we're done here.
Alright, that'd be good.